Hello viewers, today on Sunta's Tasty Food, you will have super easy snack or you can also make it for breakfast as well with simple ingredients. It is a savory dish just like cheese balls, but we don't require as many things as we need for making cheese balls. It is crunchy outside and juicy and airy inside, and additionally it is super tasty. So let's jump into the process. Here I am using two medium sized potatoes. First I will peel them, then we will grate the potatoes, choosing the fine grater. Here our grating is done. Now heat up the pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. This recipe is really a friendly recipe. If you don't have garlic powder, add the same amount of asafoetida. Then immediately goes in 1 glass of water. Add this grated potato and cook it on medium flame. When you feel that the potato is well cooked, then add half a cup of yogurt. But before adding yogurt, just whisk it thoroughly, then add it to the mixture. Here I am adding 2 more extra tablespoons of yogurt. Try not to take the sour yogurt, take the fresh yogurt. Add salt to taste. Mix it well, then adding here 1 cup of suji rava, also called as semolina. Since we are taking 1 cup of rava, for rava measurement, we need to add total 3 cups of water, including the yogurt, 3 cups of liquid to cook it properly. As you mix the mixture, it becomes harder because rava absorbs all the water content. So later I'm going to add half a glass of water to cook rava properly. I can guarantee that you and your kids definitely would love this recipe. For flavoring, I am adding here 3 cheese slices. If you have cheese cubes, add whatever the processed cheese you have added. If you don't have cheese, then compensate with fresh cream, which we get it from full fat milk. Boil the full fat milk. After cooling down, put it in the refrigerator. Then the fat content forms a layer on top of the milk. So use that fresh cream as an alternate. So adding cheese not only gives the flavor but also makes the mixture lighter and airy. Now mix the mixture until the cheese is completely dissolved in the semolina. Add small cube of butter. If you melt this butter, it comes around 2 tablespoons. Let this butter completely dissolve and combine with the batter. Then we'll switch off the flame and transfer into another bowl for cooling down. For spiciness, add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and finely chop few curry leaves. Mix all these things together. Once all the things are well combined, take some ghee onto your palms and apply evenly. Then take lemon size amount of mixture and try to roll it, making sure not having any cracks on it. Flatten it a little bit, then make a center in the hole. That's it. Your donut kind of snack is ready for deep frying. Repeat the same process with the rest of mixture. Now our tiny donuts are ready for deep frying. Fry them on medium flame. Make a note here, if you fry them in low flame, the donuts will break. You will not get the donuts after frying. So fry them on medium flame. It is very important. It's really yummy and you would definitely love this. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and share with your family and friends. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook on my same channel name. Please click the bell icon to get notifications of another wonderful recipes. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.